How to fix Frigidaire refrigerator beeping is a common issue that many homeowners face and can be resolved with a few simple steps. The beeping sound is usually an indication that there is a problem with the refrigerator that needs to be addressed. First, check the refrigerator's doors to ensure they are properly closed. If the doors are not closed correctly, the beeping sound will continue until they are. Next, check the temperature settings to ensure they are within the recommended range. If the temperature is too high or too low, the beeping sound will alert you to this issue. Another possible reason for the beeping sound is that the ice maker is turned on but there is no water supply. Check the water supply line to ensure it is properly connected and not kinked. If the water supply line is damaged, replace it with a new one. It is also possible that the beeping sound is due to a faulty sensor or a malfunctioning control board. In this case, it is best to consult the user manual or contact a professional appliance repair technician for assistance. To prevent future beeping issues, regularly check and maintain the refrigerator's doors, temperature settings, and ice maker. Make sure to clean the refrigerator's condenser coils regularly to ensure proper airflow and prevent overheating. In addition, check the refrigerator's drain to ensure it is not clogged. A clogged drain can cause the beeping sound and lead to more serious issues if not addressed. By following these steps, you can resolve the beeping issue with your Frigidaire refrigerator and prevent future problems. Remember to always refer to the user manual for specific instructions and guidelines for your particular model. If you are not comfortable with DIY repairs or if the issue persists after trying the above steps, it is best to consult a professional appliance repair technician for assistance.